day, everyone! Welcome to the new normal of learning. You can easily follow this lesson through the modules made by the SDO Cauayan City module writers. You are currently watching Bamboo TV. I am Teacher Noel, your science teacher on air. Live through 88.5 DWND FM, CMD Cable TV Channel 1, and through SDO Cauayan City FB Live. So find your most comfortable place away from any distractions so that you could easily understand our interesting lesson for this session. Are you ready? Now let's talk about your favorite food. Yes, you heard it right. We shall be discussing this lesson through your favorite food and also my favorite food. I'll give you 5 seconds to think of your favorite food. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Now here's the list of my favorite food. Do you want to know my favorite food? On top of my list is the nutritious and delicious in a brown. A fresh mixed vegetable with fried fish rich in vitamins and minerals. Number 2, the yummy and spicy dinakdakan, one of the all-time Filipino favorite pork dish. Number 3, the hot and spicy lomi, cooked with tender loving care, and you can enjoy it with a little bit of vinegar and soy sauce mixed with chili. Number 4, one of the main dishes during birthdays, the sweet and sour spaghetti. And no one could stand the taste and aroma of spaghetti. Mamma mia! Number 5, the most wanted food when you are sick, and definitely it will give you a kick. The nutritious tinola. Last, but definitely not the least, one of the most famous and interesting desserts not only here in Cauayan City but throughout the country. The creamy and delicious halo-halo. Always remember that aside from exercise and enough sleep, we should eat the right kind of food at the right time to keep our body healthy. And that is one of the most essential factors in our fight against the COVID-19 virus. But the essential question is that, what made those food yummy and delicious? Do you have any idea? Yes, you are correct. The ingredients. And that is the lesson for today. Mixing ingredients. So fasten your seatbelt as I discuss with you mixture and the 2 types of mixtures through an experiment. In this experiment, you need a lemon, sugar, and a glass of water. Here is how to make a lemonade. First, add the lemonade extract. Then, add some sugar. Do it carefully, guys. It is better if you will do this with the supervision of your parents or guardian. Then you will mix. Continue stirring the mixture. It's almost done. After this, we will enjoy nutritious lemonade. Look closely. What happened to the particles of the lemon and the particles of the sugar? It seems that they disappear, but actually the particles of sugar and lemon were distributed evenly. From three substances, they become one. This is the first experiment. Halo-halo, the ultimate Filipino summer treat. Now, let's know the common ingredients of halo-halo. Leche flan, pinipig, banana, jackfruit, sago pearls, shaved coconut meat, ube ice cream or ube jam, gelatin, sweet potato, shaved ice, milk, sugar, and sweet beans. Next, let's try to mix the ingredients of halo-halo. Okay, let's use a spoon and let's dig in. Let's try to mix them carefully so that the milk and the other ingredients will not spill from the glass. Gently. As we mix the different ingredients of halo-halo, we notice that the ingredients are unevenly distributed, or we can still recognize them. Let's more discuss about mixture. When two or more substances combine together physically and can be separated, it is called mixture. An example is salt and water. Another example is vegetable salad. Pebbles and water is also a mixture. Take note that mixture can be solid and liquid, solid and solid, or it can be liquid and liquid. There are two types of mixture, the homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? The homo or the word homo means same, a mixture which has uniform composition throughout its mass. It's just like the first experiment that we did.
the lemonade mixture. The particles of sugar, water, and lemon disappear or evenly distributed in the particles of water. Salt and water is also an example of homogeneous mixture. You can no longer see the particles of salt when dissolved in water. Homogeneous can also be gas and gas combination. Oxygen and nitrogen is an example of homogeneous mixture. Now, what is heterogeneous mixture? It is a mixture which has non-uniform composition throughout its mass. It's just like the second experiment that we did, the halo-halo mixture. We can still see the particles of heterogeneous mixture because the ingredients are not evenly distributed. Another good example is the vegetable salad, because we can easily determine the different ingredients that we mixed. Oil and water is also a good example of heterogeneous mixture, because the particles of oil will never be dissolved in the particles of water. Combination of stones and water is also heterogeneous mixture, because stones are insoluble or cannot be dissolved in water. This time, let us try to compare the two types of mixture, the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, there is a uniform composition throughout its mass. While in heterogeneous mixture, there is non-uniform composition throughout its mass. In homogeneous mixture, the particles are distributed evenly. That is why we can no longer determine the particles of the mixed substances. While in heterogeneous mixture, the particles are not distributed evenly. That is why it is easy to determine the particles or the parts of the mixture.
To check if you really understand the lesson, identify the following mixtures whether they are homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Are you ready? Let's have number 1. The nutritious and yummy in a brown. Yes, correct. It's heterogeneous mixture. In a brown is heterogeneous mixture. Number 2. The juicy orange juice. Yes, correct again. It's homogeneous mixture. Orange juice is homogeneous mixture. Let's proceed to number 3. The third is hot coffee. Okay? Think and decide. Correct! It's homogeneous mixture. A hot coffee is homogeneous mixture. Let's proceed to number 4. Creamy milk tea with sago pearl. Correct! It's heterogeneous mixture. Milk tea with pearl is heterogeneous mixture. Number 5. The famous halo-halo. Correct again. It's heterogeneous mixture. Halo-halo is heterogeneous mixture. Last but not the least, the air that we breathe in. Correct. Air is homogeneous mixture. For activity 2, you have to identify the food based on the given ingredients. Then classify them according to the types of mixture. Let's have number 1. What food is created when you combine mixture of fruits and creamy milk? Come on, you can do it. Do you have any idea? If we combine milk and mixture of fruits, we make, correct, a fruit salad. And fruit salad is, you got it right, heterogeneous mixture. A fruit salad is heterogeneous mixture. Now let us proceed to number 2. Soy sauce added with vinegar and sugar. Soy sauce plus vinegar plus sugar. Yes, you are correct. A sweet and sour sauce. Sweet and sour sauce is an example of, correct again, homogeneous mixture. Let's have number 3. Egg added with milk and sugar. What food can be created when we mix egg, milk, and sugar? Yes, you are correct. We could create leche flan. Leche flan is an example of, correct again, homogeneous mixture. For number 4, malagkit rice plus cocoa powder plus milk. If you combine malagkit rice, cocoa, and milk, we could make a, what a brilliant idea, champorado, a hot and delicious champorado. And champorado is an example of, correct, heterogeneous mixture. For number 5, apple powder mixed with cold water. Correct. We could create an apple juice. Apple juice is an example of, you got it right, homogeneous mixture. For number 6, sliced pork added with vinegar and soy sauce plus black pepper. Correct again. If you mix pork, vinegar and soy sauce with black pepper, we could create adobo. A delicious adobo. And
And adobo is an example of what a brilliant idea! It's heterogeneous mixture. Now let's have. Here are the ingredients for number 7. Saba banana with sugar and water. What can be created when we mix saba banana, sugar, and water? What a nice idea! Banana sweet. Banana sweet is an example of heterogeneous mixture. For number 8, we have gulaman and arnibal added with sago. Gulaman, arnibal, and sago. Correct! Sago at gulaman. And this is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Let's have number 9. Langka plus saba banana and spring roll wrapper. What is created when we mix langka, saba, and spring roll wrapper? Correct! A crunchy turon. Turon is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Last but not the least, number 10. When we add choco powder, baker's yeast, baking powder, sugar and salt, egg, butter and milk, we could create. Correct! We could create chocolate cake. A yummy chocolate cake. Cake is an example of. Yes, you got it right. Homogeneous mixture. It seems that you really understand the lesson. For your assignment, identify and write 10 mixtures found at home. In the first column, you have to write 10 mixtures. In the second column, you have to identify the type of mixture. You will select between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. In column 3, you have to write the use or the uses of each mixture.
Learning is so much fun despite of the pandemic. Let us be proactive in searching more knowledge. And always remember, let's help the government in lowering the spread of virus by staying at home, so that soon everything will be well. I'm Teacher Noel, your science teacher, saying thank you, goodbye, See you soon!